Making sense of percentages in statistics. Hello, dear learners. Today, we're taking a deep dive into a fascinating and practical topic: percentages in statistics. More specifically, we're going to understand how they relate to probability and data representation. So, let's dive in. First things first, let's tackle percentages and probability. You may already know that a percentage is simply a way of expressing a number as a fraction of 100. Similarly, probability is a measure of the likelihood that a certain event will occur, and it's often expressed as a percentage too. For instance, if you roll a 6-sided dice, the probability of getting a 3 is 1 out of 6, or approximately 16.67%. How did we get that? We simply divided 1 by 6 and then multiplied the result by 100. Remember, percentage is a very handy way to express probability because it allows us to grasp the concept more intuitively. Next, let's look at how percentages are used in data representation. When you're dealing with statistics, percentages are used to convey information in a clear and concise way. Imagine a survey conducted among 1,000 people about their favorite fruit. 200 people said apples, 300 preferred bananas, and 500 loved oranges. In percentages, we can say 20% of people like apples, 30% prefer bananas, and 50% love oranges. It's that simple. Tip: the sum of all percentages in a complete dataset is always 100%. Now let's explore some real-world applications of percentages in statistics. They are widely used in various fields, including business, education, healthcare, and many more. For example, a company might report that 30% of its profits come from a specific product. In education, a teacher might say that 70% of students scored above average on a test. In healthcare, it could be reported that the survival rate for a certain medical procedure is 95%. These are all examples of how percentages help us make sense of numbers, particularly in statistics. And that's a wrap for today. We hope you now have a better understanding of how percentages are used in statistics. Keep practicing, and remember that the key to mastering this topic is understanding how percentages express parts of a whole or a set. Stay tuned for more exciting English lessons. Until next time, keep learning and growing.